Tired of the same old boring vegetarian dinners? Not anymore. Let's fix that fast. Tip number one, cut your sweet potatoes in small cubes. That's how they cook fast and get real color. And to speed up cooking, add a tiny splash of water and quick cover. Gets them tender without dragging the salt. Don't overcook them. Tip number two, chickpeas and warm Mediterranean spices make this hearty, not flat. And tip number three, don't fully cook your sweet potatoes at the start. Just get them about 40 to 50% tender. The asparagus only needs a few minutes to steam. The cherry tomatoes just need a little heat to soften and burst. And the chickpeas and artichoke hearts are already cooked, so they only need a quick warm up. That's what makes this dish so simple, fast, and delicious. This is the part that gives you that savory, toasty flavor, so it doesn't just taste like vegetables in a pan. Adjust everything to your liking. Want it softer? Cover it another extra minute. Want it punchier? Add a little more lemon at the end. You want it spicier? Well, more crushed red peppers. Would you eat this as it is or add warm pita or cauliflower rice on the side? Tell me below. Well, if this helped you make a healthier dinner without extra work, please give it a like and subscribe. Check out my other videos on screen, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay healthy and take care.